Dressamatic, change my outfit. No, times a million. Retro. I need retro fashion. Old and classic. I wore this 3 minutes ago.
What about this one?
No, keep looking. God, the Dressamatic is being so slow. I want an outfit that screams yesterday. Now!
Well, that is what you wore yesterday.
It's being so slow.
Not to worry, the battery just needs changing.
Hurry up. Honest to God, nobody understands why costume is so important. Nobody.
I think we're all...
Nobody. Retro outfit. No. Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence.
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Nova, you're so sensitive about...
I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh, boy. Wait, why do people say oh, boy? Why don't they say oh, girl?
Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat.
Or what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
When I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing!
He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Ovs blob. Get me out of this costume. Is my machine ready yet?
Needs a smaller battery. Give me 20 minutes.
Plug it in. I need my new outfit.
But a battery this big is way too much power for the Dressamatic.
Plug it in.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful Dressamatic in the universe at last. Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dressamatic, take me back. Make me super retro. Nova, don't! What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro? Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are...
Three's the charm. Three's the charm.